Dave, he's saying that everybody is really upset by this situation, including the grandmother. When friends of Jonathan Hoffman learned he had been shot and killed, they rushed to the police station in utter disbelief.
It's not realistic to me still that, this happened.
Police say the 17-year-old's 74-year-old grandmother shot him multiple times around 5:30 Friday evening following a domestic dispute. It's a scenario that not even her attorney, Jerome Sabota, has dealt with before.
I've never seen a grandmother kill the grandson.
Family members retained Sabota to represent the 74-year-old. He spoke with her this morning for a few hours.
She's fragile, she's scared, and she's upset. And she feels tremendous sorrow.
The shooting happened at the grandparents' home in West Bloomfield at the Maple Place Villas condo complex. Several neighbors called 911 after hearing the gunshots, and even Hoffman himself called 911 for help, but he died at the hospital. This is the second time in 3 months that police have been to the home for domestic disturbance between grandma and grandson. Police categorized the March incident as a typical family argument that was diffused, and no arrests were made. Hoffman had been living with his grandparents for at least 6 months. His sister lives with one of their parents in Arizona.
He didn't want to stay at home. That's why he was with Grandma. Grandma was responsible for him. Grandma made sure he went to school. Grandma drove him to school. Grandma took him to court. Grandma took care of him.
Sabota says Hoffman had other recent troubles with police. The 17-year-old attended an alternative school called Farmington Central High School. He was a senior and was supposed to graduate this year. And the attorney says that Hoffman's parents should be in town on Monday. Now, the grandfather wasn't at home during the time of the shooting, and he had been staying with relatives until police allowed him to go back into the home. We're also told that so far no charges have been filed against the grandmother. Live from West Bloomfield, Julie Bonovich, 7 Action News.